Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Saharan Blush Palettes Volume 1 and Volume 2. I have already recorded Real versus Fake, but I haven't yet put it up. So just to bring you up to speed on what I think about these palettes, I absolutely love them. I feel like the pigmentation, they're just so beautiful. Definitely think that this one is more up my alley. This one I definitely have to finesse to make it work, but I would definitely prefer to use these as eyeshadow palettes. And with powders, pressed powders, whatever, I feel like you can use pressed powders as whatever you want them to be. If you want them to be a blush, or if you want them to be an eyeshadow or a contour or a highlight, you're not bound by any rules to use them as just how they are intended to be used. So I will be using these more so for my eyeshadow, but we are going to try them out on the cheeks as well. Okay, so as you've seen, this is what both of them look like. This one here is Volume 1, and this one is more geared toward people with deeper complexions, and this one is Volume 2, and it's geared more toward people with medium complexions. So I'm going to do a couple of swatches. So I'm going to do a couple from here and a couple from there. So I'm going to do a shimmer and a matte, and a shimmer and a matte. So this is from Volume 2. This one is from Volume 1. You can see it, the pigment is just so beautiful. It's just so rich. Now, I have already tried these on my cheeks, and I can tell you that you have to go in with a light hand. Like, I really do recommend that you go in with a light hand. There's absolutely no need to go crazy, as they are just so pigmented. Okay, so we're going to be doing these on the eyes first. We're going to create a whole look. So I've already done my brows. I've already put some concealer on my lids. If you can hear my kids, it's better than screaming than me screaming. I've said that before. So we're going to go in with Toby in Volume 1. And I'm going to go in on my crease. Woo! Like, oh my gosh. Oh, and as of this recording, I haven't yet received my festival palette, which I ordered weeks ago now. I'm still waiting, but as soon as I get it, I will definitely be doing a review. So now I'm going to go in with Towel, more like a peachy kind of orange. That just made that crease just so vibrant. Now I'm going to use I'm going to use Solar. I'm going to get a little bit of a spritz. I'm going to use it on the outer. That's cute. Then I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to use Zara. I'm going to put it on the inner. So this is going to gold and then tail off into the pink. Ooh. Now I'm just going to use my blending brush. I'm just going to dab over the line where they meet. It blends it out. Beautiful. And then again in the Volume 1 edition, I'm going to use Neo. I'm just going to do like the outer V. Like just dab in the corners. And then again, I'm just going to that is so cute. That is so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go and put on my foundation, my concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my foundation, I've done my concealer. So now I'm gonna be using Volume 2 to contour. Volume 1 to contour. I'm gonna use a little bit of Abby and Neo together because I think Abby by itself is gonna be a little bit too deep. So I'm gonna try them both together, and I'm literally just touching shade. I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna do my cheek first and see what happens. Oh my gosh, do you see? Do you see? Oh my god. I barely had to do anything. Now I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my nose. It's just so pigmented. I decided not to cream contour today because of this. This is crazy pigmented. Like, look, it's not even blended in properly. Okay, using a standard powder brush to just diffuse. There we go, that's a lot better. On the camera, my makeup looks a little bit on this side, it's a little bit funny. That's better. Yeah. It's just that contour is just so deep. Oh my gosh. I'm not mad at it. And then for highlight, I'm going to use Volume 2 Zoba. This is such a pretty shade. It's just so pretty. Oh, and I started putting highlight on my Cupid's bow and on my lips. I don't go too far up though. I just try to stay. This is like pink with a gold hue. Oh, and then I'm going to use Lena and B on my cheeks. Oh my gosh, look, look. Oh, that flush of pink is just so beautiful. I absolutely love this palette. I love both of them. I absolutely just love both of them. You can use it for everything. Contouring, blush, eyeshadow, highlight. I think my lip color needs a liner. I should have lined first as I normally do. Now I'm just gonna go do my eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I haven't done any lower lash line. I decided to keep it bare today. I absolutely adore these palettes. I do prefer them for my eyeshadow. I feel that the contour is so pigmented, and if my skin tone was a little bit deeper, then it would be perfect for me to contour with, like, on a daily basis. But because it's so deep, I think that, and because it's so deep and pigmented, I'm just finding that it can go left real quick. So I'm gonna stick to using them for my blush, my highlight, and my eyes. Like, I absolutely adore this look. I mean, it's so au naturel. It's beautiful. So do I recommend these? I most definitely do. Check out all my other Juvias Place video reviews. I'll have them on the end screen, the playlist linked on the end screen. So definitely have a look at those. Definitely check these out. Highly recommended. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.